Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you my go-to makeup routine for when I want my base to be long-lasting, transfer-proof and crease-proof. So starting off with primer, I'm gonna use this one from Sheglam. This is the birthday skin primer. This is the pink one. I believe it's supposed to be hydrating and blurring. I'm gonna use that amount. You only need a pea-sized amount for this. Also because if you're like my skin tone or darker, anything more than this will make you look ashy. I like this primer because I noticed that number one, it feels like, you know, applying a moisturizer on my face, and the second thing is when I don't use this primer with any of my foundations, I notice that my smile lines crease a lot quicker. So when I use this primer, it like almost fills in my smile lines a little bit and they don't crease like excessively. So that's what I like about this primer. Also, it is helpful with keeping the sweat at bay. Second thing for long lasting, I'm gonna use this Got To Be glue for my brows. So this is literally the only thing that will keep my brows in place intact until I remove the gel from my brows. I have been using this for years. So my brows now are looking a little bit white because the gel mixed in with like my moisturizer and SPF, but it's fine, it's gonna dry clear anyway. So moving on to color correcting, I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth and underneath my eyes, and I always want to color correct so that my foundation and my concealer don't look ashy. So I'm going to use this orange color corrector from Sheglam. And for underneath my eyes, I'm gonna use this Lancôme Teint Ultra Ray Concealer. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna pick this Lancôme Teint Ultra foundation. I have the shade 455W. This foundation is transfer proof. It does not excessively crease in my smile lines, and it is very long lasting, super comfortable on the skin, and it leaves a nice natural finish to the skin. So I'm gonna go in with 2 pumps of this foundation. Highlighting concealer, I'm gonna use this Sheglam one. This is the Like Magic 12-Hour Full Coverage Concealer. I have the shade Earth. This is a really also really nice concealer. Can't believe I didn't try this sooner. I mean, for as long as I've been shopping on Sheglam, can't believe I haven't tried sooner. So while that's sitting, I'm going to go in with this Sheglam Sunbeam Matte Liquid Bronzer. This is the shade Mud Pie. When you want your makeup to last like super long, it's always good to layer your powder products with your cream products. Especially with blush, because we know blush is the first thing that will come off your face. For cream bronzer, I'm going to use Sheglam, the Color Bloom Liquid Blush. I have the shade Orange Peel. This is one of the most recent shades. Really nice bright orange. To ensure that my under eye concealer does not crease, I'm going to first go in with a pressed powder. This is a hack I saw from TikTok. I'm going to use this Essence Brighten Up powder, and then for loose powder, I'm going to use this one by e.l.f. This is the Halo Glow Setting Powder. I have the shade Medium for the e.l.f. and the Essence one just has one single shade. And to also lock in my smile lines, I'm going to use this Chanel Natural Finish Loose Powder. This powder is like amazing. It really like gives you that extra lock to your makeup. Like this gives you like a super blurred finish, soft matte. Your makeup will not move, it will not transfer, and it will not crease. So using the Chanel powder and this Lancôme foundation, it's like super ultra locked in for the entire day or night. So I'm going to use this to set the rest of my face. I'm going to use the same powder puff, just turn it around and then lightly press the powder onto my face. This is not a powder that I use under my eyes because I found that it doesn't do really well under my eyes, but for the rest of the face, perfect. Also, you can do a light dusting of this powder with like a big fluffy powder brush like this one, but I like to like really like stamp it into my smile line so that they really locked in. And around my nose as well, because it does get shiny. And honestly, that is enough. Just the once over with this powder is enough. It does not do well when you layer it on. Just the once over is enough. If you layer it on, it will start bunching up around your face, especially around where you crease a lot. That's where it will start bunching up, and you don't want that. I'm gonna move on to setting my bronzer with a powder. I'm gonna use this one by Dolce&Gabbana. For blush, I'm gonna use this one by Sicily. This is the highlighter blush, the Lancôme highlighter blush. I have the shade number 1. That's what she looks like. So this is like I said, a highlighter blush, and it gives a very nice natural flush of color, also with glow, because I don't really wear highlighter like that, so these kind of products are like perfect for me. For my eyes, I'm just gonna do a nice neutral palette. This is the Essence, the brown edition eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go in with that shade that I've hit pan on. Clearly this is my favorite. To lock it all in, I'm gonna use this Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating Fixing Spray. I've been using this makeup fixing spray rather. I've been using this makeup fixing spray for years. It always just keeps my face on all day. While my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Express Brow Pencil. This is a really nice, long-lasting, very pigmented brow pencil. I have the shade Black Brown, so I'm just gonna very lightly fill in my brows. See that? I barely see how far back I'm holding this pencil, and already my brows look fuller. Going to first line with this Sheglam Pro Precision Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This eyeliner is so good. It's my favorite one. It's really nice and sturdy and gives you, you know, like they say, precision. Especially for someone who's, you know, doesn't really know what they're doing with liquid eyeliner. After all these years I've been doing makeup, it really does help. That's what the tip looks like. And then for lining the bottom lash line, I'm gonna use this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. It really does last long. I'm gonna use a brown shade. It's the shade Hot Chocolate. Moving moving on to mascara, I'm gonna use this one by Sheglam, my favorite, the only mascara that I use. This is the all-in-one volume and length mascara. This is waterproof black. This mascara lasts a really long time. It does not flake, and it helps with, you know, lengthening and curling my tiny little lashes. I'm gonna start off with the bottom lashes. So I'm going to put on my lashes off camera and I'll be back so we can do a lip combo. Okay, so lip combo time. I'm gonna use this Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liner, the shade Underground. It's like a plummy shade. And then the Revolution Satin Kiss lip liner, the shade Vampire. That's like a burgundy shade. And then I'm gonna use Miss Fenty, the Fuchsia Flex one. So, I'm gonna line my lips with both liners and then so that's what, this is the combination of the two lip liners. Then Miss Fenty. Gorgeous. Isn't this lip combo just stunning? So this is the completed look with finishing touches done. What do we think about this look? I really love this lip combo. It's one of my favorite lip combos of life, period. So yeah, those were my steps for my long-lasting, crease-proof and transfer-proof base makeup look. So let me know in the comments, what do you do to make sure that your makeup is transfer proof, crease proof, long lasting, all the things. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and please like this video if you enjoyed it. I will see you girlies in the next video. Take care. Bye.